Hello everybody, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of linear marketing. And today we are going to create a retro logo design which is quite classic in concept. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm taking the polygon tool from my shapes section, and here I am dragging a simple polygon with 6 sides. Okay, so it will be look like this. Now what you are going to do next, I have already taken this color, so that's why it will be look like this. Now what you are going to take, and you can transform then rotate it around 90-degree angle, so it will be look like this. Now you can do, if you want, then you can soften the edges, so I will do that. Then go to effect, stylize, and here you can find the round corners. I want to go with the 0.39, so it will be look like this. Now I just want a little soft edges, not the sharp edges. That's why I did that. So the next step that you can do, you can create the object and path, offset path, and here I am going to use 5 pixels from here, so it will be look like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm selecting it to around black color, and so it will be look like this. Now this is the first layer, this is the second layer. Okay, so these are the difference between these two layers. Now if you want, then you can turn on the color of stroke of the second one, should be the white, and make it around 2 points as a weight. Okay, so it will be look like this after doing all these things. Now what I'm going to do, I will take it, and now I'm creating another object path and offset path, another 5 pixels in size, sorry, 5 pixels, so it will be look like this. Now sorry, what happened, I'm taking this one, and this one is around so I will go with the object again, path, offset path, and here minus 5 pixels, so it will be look like this. Now what I'm going to do, I will come over here in the shape tool, and here I am designing a simple circle like this. You can create a small circle just like a point. Okay, so it will be look like this. Now press F5 to intact your brush section. My brush section is here, so what I'm going to do, I am dragging it down to my brush section, and I am creating another pattern brush. Okay, so it will be look like this. The spacing is around 20%, and method is tint, sorry, so it will be look like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm taking the another one, this one, and here I want to define this. If the size is small or big, what you can do, you can just turn it off. I'm 10 pixels, and here you can use the color, or you can also scale it. I want to make it more simple, smaller, or little bit. So this one is okay for me. So these are the settings, apply to strokes, so it will look like this. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, remove it from here. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I am taking this shape tool, and here I am taking the rounded rectangle. I'm defining this rectangle simple like this, and here you can place it in the middle of your shapes. And now what I'm going to do, I will go into the effect, wrap, and create an arc. Now preview it, and it will look like this. So what I'm going to do, I am turning it to 14% is okay, so it will look like this. Now change it to stroke color to black, so it will be look like this. Now the next option that you can do, you need to place a text. So I'm writing text here, retro. So Place OK, and now increase the size of the text and make sure that what text that you want to use, you can place it here. I want to, as I'm working on the retro based logo design, so the concept should be the classic and vintage type. So what I'm going to do, I will use the logo that will be in similar category. So I have the one here that is the capture it, so I want to use this one here. Place it in the middle. If you don't have this font, then you can download it from the link is there on my website or in the description box as well, because from the description box you can find the link of my blog, and where you can easily find it, the link of this font. Otherwise you can easily download from the font.com. I already taken it from there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will create a little arc to this text, and you can go just highlight, and now I'm going to wrap again, and here arc is here. So what I'm going to, I'm turning on and make a little band to this, so it will okay. So now what I'm going to, I will make it down, and if you are not okay and you feel the it's a little bit so you can change the angling. So it will be, I'm still not okay with the angling, so what I'm going to do, I will make a little adjustment to this, so it will be look like this. Now it's better. So again, what you can do, you can create a simple star. And one more thing regarding this font, for example, if you want to, if you don't know how to install font, because I created this logo for the beginners as well. So if you are a beginner, if you don't know that how to install font, then you can come to my channel and you can find the video there you can easily find how to install font in your graphical suites and Illustrator as well, and you can find the video from there. So for your convenience, I will place the link in my description box, so you can find it from there as well. So yeah, here I am creating simple star, and you can make it a little bigger like this, and here I am creating another one, and now the size of this star will be little smaller like this, and here you can create a copy of this star, and you can place it like there, like this here, and you can also place the I want to delete this, so proceed, and here you can come over here and you can create a simple star. There is some problem with my keyboard mouse, so I'm using that, so I think there is some problem with there. Let's take it, and here I'm creating another one. Control C, Control F, and place it like this, so it will be look like this now. So what I'm going to do, I'm placing it in the middle and the top of this hexagon, and now I'm creating a simple another text line which is for the tagline. So you can write your, keep it off, and tagline here, and now you can create a simple calibri. So you can write, I think can take it here if you want. There is some problem with the keyboard, that's why it's happening. So you can place it here. Now, and now go to effects section again and make a little band to this arc. So 9% is let's see how it will be look like in 9%. So it will be okay now. So what I'm going to do next, I want to create some more option to this. So what I'm going to do, I will take this ellipse tool, press shift and drag a ellipse, like simple ellipse like this, and press it in between your uh, or your hexagon. And now what you need to do, you can just turn off the fill color and make a simple stroke color to black, just to show you how it will be look like when you will. Now I am adding text here, type on a path, and you can, if you want, you can increase the size as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm writing simple premium and premium quality like this. So you can write the simple text in this way. And here what you can do, you can just drag this layer to put it inside your circle. So it will be look like this after doing these changes. Now you can see everything is quite there on place, and this area is still not occupied. So what I'm going to do, I will create a little icon there. So to create an icon, I'm taking this simple ellipse tool again, and now I am just dragging a simple oval here like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm taking this convert anchor point, and here you can point the sharp edges like this. Okay, so, and here again take a ellipse, make a small circle, and turn it to white and place it in the middle of this. What you can do, you can select both objects just to align the middle, so it will be look like this. Now what I'm going to do, I will place it in between the shield, so it will be look like this after doing all these changes. And if you want, then you can just subtract the middle part of this eye, and you can make it in different color as well. So it depends upon you. I have just created this concept, and now what I'm going to do, I will go into the object and expand the appearance, and I will go object again and now expand it. Okay, so it will be look like this. So this is the complete look or the complete concept. So you can design by using this technique. And if you have any other question, then you can also ask me through comment section, and I will come back to you another tutorial. And you subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.